Just wants to eat you up. Wants to go. And I don't think you can see you. I'll turn the light on. It's gonna be bright. It's gonna be bright. There's Caleb's belly, and that's where I go. He's chewing on his hand, and Mommy goes. Mommy's gonna get you. Choo. You're so cute. You got a hair in there. Ew. Do. Hey, sweetie pie. You got a hand growing out of your mouth.